Let's take a look at how a typical bank transaction works. When you purchase something at the grocery store using a credit card, the store trusts your card because they trust the bank that created it. In the past, the only way for people to keep track of transactions was through a central authority, like a bank, to validate and authorize their transactions. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to revolutionize transactions by removing the central authority, also known as decentralization. Nakamoto created Bitcoin, a trustworthy and distributable digital currency that uses blockchain technology. What does blockchain mean? It's a long chain of blocks that cannot be changed after they are created. A block is a container like a train car, carrying three components. Data. This can symbolize clients' names, monetary amounts, social security numbers, etc. Hash. Hash is like a picture identification. In this case, the green card holds a hash of the previous red card. This card also holds a hash of itself. If someone wishes to change a record that has already been made, that record will become invalid because it won't match the hash stored in the next block. How long is a blockchain? Blockchains can be quite long. The Bitcoin blockchain has hundreds of thousands of blocks. What does a distributed blockchain mean? It means that each person in the network holds the same copy of the blockchain. How are blocks added? The creation of a new block takes 10 minutes to compute. Once a valid block has been created, it gets sent to everyone in the network to get validated and stored. Once consensus has been reached, the blockchain up to that point becomes permanent. Some of the applications of blockchains include managing money securely. Blockchains can embed digital smart contracts which will make payments automatically in a trusted manner for the purchased products and services. Healthcare. Health records can be kept using a blockchain that ensures that records cannot be tampered with after creation. Government. Blockchains can be used to create a secure digital voting system that ensures that people cannot vote twice. Trusted identification. Passports, wedding, death, birth certificates, and other legal documents can be securely stored using a blockchain.